Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process of connecting your Shopify store to Brevo. To get started, open Shopify in your browser and head over to the Apps section. From there, scroll down and select Visit Shopify App Store, which will bring you to the marketplace where you can install various integrations. In the search bar, type Brevo and press Enter. The first result you'll see is the PushOwl Brevo app. Click on it to open the page. Next, click the Install button and follow the on-screen prompts to add the app to your store. Once the installation is complete, select Open and the setup will begin automatically. Make sure you have your Brevo account login details ready, as you'll need them during the connection process. After linking your accounts, Shopify will automatically start syncing your customer information, products, collections, and even past order data into Brevo. With everything connected, you can take advantage of features like the on-site tracker, which helps you gather valuable insights about your visitors, and the ability to insert your Shopify products directly into your Brevo email campaigns. And that's all it takes to integrate Shopify with Brevo. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your online store.